What does it mean to have $1 million net worth? Well, it may not be what you think. In fact, net worth is not for just the rich and the famous. It's actually for everybody. Everybody has either a positive or a negative net worth. So, what is yours? Well, you're in the right place because in the next few minutes, we're not only going to explain what net worth is, but we're going to calculate your net worth so that you have a better understanding of your current value. And before we get started, I just want to say, welcome to the channel. This is Dollar for Dollar. My name is Heather, and my goal with this channel is to provide you with financial tips and tricks so you can achieve financial freedom. So net worth, what does that mean? Essentially, it's everything that you own minus what you owe. So let's start with explaining everything you own. What you own really boils down to assets, so things of value. We're not going to be counting every little trinket in your home, okay? So just get that out of the picture right now. It's things of value. So your home or rental properties, those are items of value. Cash, checking, savings account, retirement accounts, any other sort of investment accounts, those are all things of value. Your car, because you can go out and sell that, that is also of value. Jewelry, personal artifacts, collectibles, art, those can be considered items of value, especially if they have a value on the market. You're going to add up the total of each of those items, and that's going to be everything that you own. Then you're going to go and look at the balance on those items, and maybe some of them don't have a balance, and that's great. However, if you have any financial obligation or debt, this is where you're going to list them out. So that car that may have been an asset can also be a liability if you have a balance on that car. So write that down. Same thing with their homes. If you have, two rental properties and both have a mortgage, you're going to want to make sure you put the balance on each of those. So put all that down. This counts student loan debt, credit card debt, any sort of debt. This is all going to get added up, and that's going to be what you owe. So now that you have these two numbers, it's really straightforward. You take what you own, that balance, and you subtract what you owe. And the number you are left with is your net worth. Now, if you've never done this before, then it may be extremely scary at first because perhaps you have a negative net worth. Now, rest assured, that is just where you're starting from. Everybody has to start from somewhere, and the fact that you are taking the time to figure out what your net worth is a step in the right direction. But if you really want to increase your net worth and you want to better understand how to achieve financial independence, I just released a video recently. I'm going to link it in the description below, and I'm going to put a card here for you so that you can go ahead and watch that. I highly recommend it because that's going to give you the 4 steps you should take to achieve financial independence. And if you're not sure what financial independence is, it's really simple. It's freedom. So if you are looking for freedom, if you are looking to become a millionaire, that's the video for you. So I highly recommend you go and check it out. So thank you so much for watching today. I really hope you found this video valuable, and if you did, go ahead and smash that like button. It would greatly help, and leave me a comment below if you're willing. Let me know, what is your net worth? Maybe it's a good thing, maybe it's a bad thing, but either way, just remember it's where you are today, and it is not where you have to end up staying. So thank you for watching, and I hope to catch you on the next video.